TV down some, Danny?
Very loud.
Thank you.
That's right.
What?
That's right.
Oh, I was going to have fries.
You didn't want it. You come over to the side.
Oh, then I'm happy.
Way over here.
Then I'm happy. Yeah,
Until she saw me back.
Yeah, that's how she do.
She's closing it up.
You got daddy some jalapenos? Ooh, he's gonna love that. Thank you. Pickle jalapenos. Ooh, I actually like the pickle jalapenos. They give y'all that at school? And you kept that in your backpack all day? Hey, I'm filming and you can't be in my film, please. You better go put some clothes on, Jay. Dang. What grade?
You ain't even eating the fries.
Hey, I'm filming.
You didn't want it?
These are some large potatoes. I love going to the Mexican meat market. They be having. I love these big, huge potatoes. Crisp tomatoes. Their avocados are always on point. That's why I don't like going to the meat grocery store unless it's H-E-B. What, Mama? My house is considered the loud house, by the way. Loud TVs running around here. Little children running around. Damien, I asked you, Damien, I asked you to turn the TV down. Please turn the TV down. It's extremely too loud. Thank you. You know what I forgot? I forgot the I'm gonna have to go to the store, and that is the biggest recipe to this salad I'm making. A red onion, avocado, and tomato salad. That's what I'm gonna talk to when we can have fried fish. We can have fried fish and fries, or either fried fish and potatoes.
I brought my dad just in case he went to the thing.
Yeah.
Who's that?
So I have removed the seeds to the avocados, and now I'm gonna cut them. Damien, please turn it down some because I don't understand Damien. I don't know why he keeps turning up that TV up like that. And so these. And try to leave them chunky. My grandmother's recipe was for what she taught me. Make sure I leave them these. Dump them in there like that, like so. Like so. Next ingredient, red onion. Kind of well, y'all get the picture of how thick. You cut it however you want to cut it. This is how I'm going to cut it. I'm also going to cut it in half because I do not cut this part off. Throw this part away. Try to cut them in half. But I don't want them that wide. Y'all see how it looks so far? I got the avocado, the cucumber, and the tomato. And then next, pop of color with the red onion. Throw this in there like that. the cornmeal, you know, adhere to the fish. And it's going to be crispy. Y'all going to see it in. Going in.